This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas. 1. Sixth Floor Museum. Start your Dallas journey at the Sixth Floor Museum at Dealey Plaza, one of the most significant historic sites in the United States. It is located inside the former Texas School Book Depository, the building from which Lee Harvey Oswald allegedly shot President John F. Kennedy on November the 22nd, 1963. The museum chronicles the life, legacy, and assassination of President Kennedy using photographs, films, artifacts, and interactive displays. You can stand at the window where the sniper's perch was found and look down at Dealey Plaza. The exhibits also cover Kennedy's presidency and the global impact of his death. The museum is a powerful, emotional, and educational experience. It draws history enthusiasts from all over the world. 2. Wander Deep Ellum. Next, head to Deep Ellum, the cultural pulse of Dallas. This historic neighborhood is famous for its live music scene, colorful street art, indie shops, and breweries. Once the center of Dallas's jazz and blues culture, today Deep Ellum hosts local and touring bands every night. You can walk the vibrant streets to discover large-scale murals and graffiti art around every corner. The area is packed with quirky boutiques, record shops, craft breweries, rooftop bars, and some of the city's most exciting restaurants. Deep Ellum is the best place to experience Dallas's artistic and nightlife energy. The name originated from a slurring of Deep Elm, the street's original name. 3. Fort Worth Stockyards. Drive about 30 minutes west to Fort Worth Stockyards, a living history museum of the Old West. This National Historic District is the heart of Texas cowboy culture. You absolutely must watch the Fort Worth herd, the world's only twice-daily cattle drive. Real cowhands drive a herd of Texas Longhorns down East Exchange Avenue at 11:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. every day. The street is lined with old wooden storefronts, western wear shops, boot stores, and saloons. You can visit the Cowtown Coliseum to see a thrilling rodeo show. For a true Texas meal, grab a steak at a historic restaurant. The Stockyards is fun, dusty, and wonderfully authentic. 4. Reunion Tower Deck. Get a bird's-eye view of the sprawling Dallas skyline from Reunion Tower's GEO deck. This iconic geodesic dome, affectionately called the Ball by locals, rises 470 feet above the city. The indoor/outdoor observation deck provides a breathtaking 360-degree view of Dallas. On a clear day, you can see for over 30 miles in every direction. The deck is equipped with high-definition zoom cameras, interactive touchscreens, and free telescopes. You can even take a free digital photo to remember the view. The tower is best visited at sunset when the sky turns golden and the city lights begin to twinkle below. It is the perfect spot for that classic Dallas postcard shot. 5. Perot Science Museum. 5th, explore the fantastic Perot Museum of Nature and Science in Victory Park. The building itself is a futuristic cube-shaped architectural marvel. Inside, you will find 5 floors of hands-on exhibits that are fun for all ages. You can walk among towering dinosaur skeletons, see a collection of sparkling gemstones, and play in an earthquake simulator. The museum features a robotics lab, engineering challenges, and wildlife dioramas. Texas Instruments. Engineering and Innovation Hall encourages you to build and test your own designs. Don't miss the glass elevator that gives you a stunning view of the Dallas skyline. The Perot Museum is a top attraction for families and curious minds. 6. Sundance Square Plaza. Head to the heart of downtown Fort Worth to explore Sundance Square, a vibrant 35-block entertainment and shopping district. The square is named after the infamous Sundance Kid, Butch Cassidy's partner. The beautifully restored brick streets are lined with turn-of-the-century buildings housing dozens of shops, restaurants, art galleries, and live performance venues. The Central Plaza, known as the living room of Fort Worth, features a shaded seating area, a giant video screen, and sparkling water jets for kids to play in. You can catch a Broadway show at Bass Performance Hall, which features two 48-foot angels on its facade. It is a lively, walkable destination day or night. 7. Dallas Arboretum. Escape the city at the Dallas Arboretum and Botanical Garden, a 66-acre paradise on the shores of White Rock Lake. This sprawling property is known for its stunning seasonal floral displays, themed gardens, and tranquil water features. The spring bloom is spectacular, with over 500,000 bulbs in bloom. The Rory Myers Children's Adventure Garden is an 8-acre interactive wonderland that teaches kids about science and nature through play. You can walk through a pumpkin village in the fall or see the entire garden transformed with millions of twinkling lights for the holidays. It's a photographer's dream and a perfect place for a peaceful afternoon stroll. 8. Fort Worth Zoo. Visit the Fort Worth Zoo, consistently ranked as one of the top zoos in the entire country. This world-class facility is home to over 7,000 animals, representing more than 500 species, including 68 endangered or threatened species. You can explore themed areas like the African savanna to see giraffes, the world of primates, and the Texas Wild exhibit, which showcases the state's native animals. The zoo is known for its well-maintained naturalistic habitats. Kids will love the 14,000-square-foot splash area, the carousel, and the opportunity to feed the giraffes. It is a fantastic, family-friendly destination that requires at least half a day to fully enjoy. 9. Kimbell Art Museum. Art lovers must visit the Kimbell Art Museum in Fort Worth's Cultural District. The museum's building is a work of art itself, designed by the legendary American architect Louis I Kahn. It is internationally renowned for its small, but brilliantly curated collection of European masterpieces. You can see works by Fra Angelico, Michelangelo, Caravaggio, Rembrandt, Monet, Picasso, and Matisse. The museum also holds important collections of Egyptian, Asian, and pre-Columbian antiquities. The best part is that admission to the museum's permanent collection is completely free. The building's vaulted galleries are lit naturally, creating a serene and beautiful atmosphere. 10. Texas Barbecue Feast. Finally, you cannot leave DFW without indulging in a legendary Texas barbecue feast. The region is known for its slow-smoked brisket, which has a peppery bark and a tender, smoky interior. Head to a local joint to order by the pound. You can try the famous burnt ends or Texas hot guts sausage. Popular sides include potato salad, coleslaw, and pinto beans. In Deep Ellum or the Design District, you will find barbecue spots with long lines that move quickly. Terry Black's, Pecan Lodge, and Cadillac are local legends. For an authentic experience, go early in the day because the best meat often sells out by lunchtime. The smoky, juicy, bold flavors are the true taste of Texas.